If you're a tech enthusiast, then you need to know how to log into ChatGPT. First, head over to the ChatGPT website and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password, then hit Enter, and just like that, you're in. Have you ever wished you had a tool that could answer any question, write a poem, or even translate languages? Well, now you do. Meet ChatGPT, a powerful language model that uses artificial intelligence to communicate and generate human-like text. Imagine having a conversation with a computer that understands your questions, follows your instructions, and responds in a way that feels natural and engaging. That's the magic of ChatGPT. It's like having a super smart assistant at your fingertips, ready to help you with a wide range of tasks. ChatGPT is trained on a massive amount of text data, allowing it to understand and generate human language with remarkable accuracy. Whether you need help with writing, brainstorming ideas, or simply want to have a casual conversation, ChatGPT is up for the challenge. ChatGPT's incredible capabilities have led to its integration into various apps, making our daily lives easier and more efficient. Here are a few examples of how ChatGPT is being used in popular apps. First, language learning apps. ChatGPT helps you learn new languages by providing real-time translations, grammar corrections, and even engaging in conversations to practice your skills. Second, writing assistants. ChatGPT acts as your personal editor, suggesting improvements for grammar, style, and clarity. It can even help you overcome writer's block by generating creative content ideas. And third, customer support chatbots. Many companies now use ChatGPT-powered chatbots to provide instant support to their customers. These chatbots can answer frequently asked questions, resolve issues, and offer personalized recommendations. Imagine being able to automate tedious tasks, get instant answers to your questions, and even receive personalized recommendations, all with the help of ChatGPT. One of the most significant benefits of ChatGPT is its ability to save us time and effort. By automating tasks like scheduling appointments, sending emails, and researching information, ChatGPT frees up our time for more important things. ChatGPT also enhances our productivity by providing us with the information we need when we need it. Whether you're looking for a quick answer to a question or need help with a complex task, ChatGPT can provide you with the necessary information and guidance. Imagine a classroom where students have access to a personalized tutor that adapts to their learning style and pace. ChatGPT can revolutionize education by providing a more engaging and effective learning experience. Use ChatGPT to give students instant feedback on their work, answer their questions clearly and concisely, and create personalized learning plans based on their strengths and weaknesses. This approach can help students stay motivated and engaged, leading to better academic outcomes. Break down complex concepts into easily understandable terms with ChatGPT, making learning more accessible to students of all levels. Provide students with access to a vast library of knowledge, allowing them to explore different subjects and delve deeper into areas of interest. Section 5. ChatGPT, the doctor will see you now. While ChatGPT is not a replacement for medical professionals, it can play a valuable role in healthcare by providing patients with information, support, and even early detection of potential health issues. For example, ChatGPT-powered apps can help patients track their symptoms, provide information about different medical conditions, and even offer personalized advice on managing their health. This can empower patients to take a more proactive role in their healthcare. Furthermore, ChatGPT can assist healthcare professionals by analyzing large data sets of medical information to identify patterns and trends. This can help doctors make more informed diagnoses and develop more effective treatment plans. Section 6. ChatGPT on the front lines. Customer service revolution. Imagine contacting a company and getting an instant, helpful response, no matter the time of day or night. ChatGPT is transforming customer service by providing businesses with a powerful tool to enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. ChatGPT-powered chatbots can handle a high volume of customer inquiries simultaneously, providing instant support and resolving issues quickly and efficiently. This can significantly reduce customer wait times and improve overall satisfaction. Moreover, ChatGPT can personalize the customer service experience by accessing customer data and providing tailored responses and recommendations. To implement ChatGPT effectively, start by integrating it with your existing customer service platforms. Train the AI with your specific data to ensure it understands your products and services. Regularly update the AI with new information and monitor its performance to continuously improve the customer experience. This level of personalization can make customers feel valued and understood, leading to increased brand loyalty.Section 7. The Sky's the Limit. ChatGPT Beyond Imagination. The potential applications of ChatGPT extend far beyond what we can imagine today. For practical uses, ChatGPT can generate realistic dialogue for video games, compose music, and even write screenplays. In entertainment, ChatGPT can create interactive stories, write scripts for movies and TV shows, and generate realistic dialogue for video game characters. This leads to more immersive and engaging entertainment experiences. ChatGPT can also be used to create art and music. By analyzing existing art and music, ChatGPT can identify patterns and generate new creative works that are both original and inspiring. Section 8. The ChatGPT Revolution, a World of Possibilities. The widespread adoption of ChatGPT is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From automating tasks to enhancing creativity, ChatGPT is opening up a world of possibilities. Use ChatGPT to streamline your workflow by automating repetitive tasks and generating creative content. The possibilities are truly limitless, and we are only beginning to scratch the surface of ChatGPT's full potential. Embrace these advancements and explore how ChatGPT can be used to improve productivity, enhance creativity, and solve complex problems. Section 9. Embracing the future. ChatGPT's transformative impact. ChatGPT is more than just a technological advancement. It's a catalyst for change. It's a tool that has the potential to empower us, connect us, and inspire us to reach new heights. As we continue to integrate ChatGPT into our lives, it's essential to approach these advancements with a sense of responsibility and ethical awareness. Here are some practical tips. Use ChatGPT to automate repetitive tasks, enhance customer service, and support decision-making processes. The journey into the world of artificial intelligence has just begun, and with ChatGPT leading the way, the future looks brighter than ever. Subscribe, like, and comment. Watch the next video.